is it safe to say that most of the companies that are moving to this type of environment, they need a third party to come in, or how much of this can they handle on their own?
Normally, when we see people who have kind of started the migration in the cloud, they understand kind of the vision of where they want to go. Sometimes they even get to the point of architecting, building. And there has been use cases that we've come in where it's fully architected and there's a problem that it was, unfortunately, a service was misunderstood, or there was something where it was just a gotcha in the service that it just doesn't work the way they expected it to. So I would say that it definitely is some tribal knowledge that is needed, or training. Of course, with any of these cloud services, they have great training, and I highly suggest anyone who's interested to take that training, because it really does give you a better understanding. We've had gotchas where someone has basically tried to put in a security vendor product and then didn't realize at the time that there was a different underlay network that was running between the cloud. And so they thought that they were able to move all of their serverless environment communications, all that through a defined virtual network. But what it turned out to be is that there were actually hardware pieces that could be allocated, called the integration service gateways, and this is in Azure, that you can make that communication happen. However, forcing it through a third-party vendor on a VM, it just wasn't optimal for their performance. So what we did is we analyzed a little bit more about that, and then we created a full mesh network that they were able to not only keep their security vendor intact, but being able to communicate through those devices, being able to monitor their traffic and analyze that using, again, that third-party vendor, which brings that more of that security expertise than some of the cloud services have to offer.